Are you looking to increase your income in 2025? Discover how AI tools can revolutionize your earning potential. In this video, we'll explore 5 cutting-edge AI tools that can help you boost your income, whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or looking to start a side hustle. Number 1. Jasper AI, your AI writing assistant. Jasper AI is a powerful tool that assists in content creation, helping you write blogs, social media posts, and marketing copy efficiently. Use cases. Ideal for bloggers, marketers, and businesses aiming to produce high-quality content quickly. Benefits. Saves time, enhances creativity, and can significantly reduce content production costs. Number 2. Canva AI, design made easy. Canva AI simplifies graphic design, allowing you to create stunning visuals without any design experience. Use cases. Perfect for creating social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials. Benefits. User-friendly interface with a vast library of templates, making design accessible to everyone. Number 3. Synthesia, AI video creation. Synthesia enables you to create professional videos using AI avatars, eliminating the need for cameras and actors. Use cases. Great for training videos, product demos, and personalized messages. Benefits. Cost-effective video production with quick turnaround times. Number 4. Copy.ai, AI-powered copywriting. Copy.ai generates compelling copy for various purposes, including emails, ads, and product descriptions. Use cases. Useful for marketers, e-commerce businesses, and content creators. Benefits. Enhances productivity by providing instant copy suggestions, saving time and effort. Number 5. TDO, AI chatbots for customer support. TDO combines live chat and chatbot functionalities to improve customer service on your website. Use cases. Ideal for businesses looking to automate customer support and increase engagement. Benefits. Enhances customer experience, reduces response time, and can lead to higher conversion rates. Here's the summary. We've explored 5 AI tools that can help you boost your income in 2025. Jasper AI, Canva AI, Synthesia, Copy.ai, and TDO. Which of these tools are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe for more insights on leveraging technology for financial growth.